beautiful. It is the weekend and it is a Saturday for me. So I want to treat myself to a good big breakfast and I'm gonna do it myself. We doing it from scratch. Some good old pancakes, sausage, and eggs. That's what I get every time I go out to eat some breakfast. Bob Evans, baby. But check this out, we're gonna get started from scratch. Let's go. All right, peeps, let's get started with this flour first. I'm gonna start out with 1.5 cups. I'm using my 1/2 cup scooper here. And we're gonna call that 1.5 cups. How about that? Next, we're gonna go with our baking soda. Let's get our leveling agent going. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 1/2 tablespoon of baking soda. Then let's follow it up, a teaspoon of salt, kosher salt that is. But this is our basis of our mixture. All right, y'all. Let's get the wet ingredients going for this. Oh man, I had wanted whole fat milk or buttermilk. This is what she wanted both. She bought the reduced fat 2%. That's cool, it's the Fairfield, so they make pretty good milk. So I'm going in with a cup. I may add some more. We'll see how it come out. Starting out with a cup. Let's do a tablespoon, another extract. Throw some honey up in there. Eyeballing about a tablespoon of that. And let's do a tablespoon of sugar. It's pure cane sugar, but you can use regular sugar, brown sugar, whatever you want. Let's get our egg going. All right, everybody, let's see what we got. Got my little whisk here. Don't want to go too crazy and spill, make a mess over here. I smell the vanilla extract coming off there. That's like the secret ingredient in pancakes, baby. I think I'm gonna need a little more milk. Pretty much matching up exactly with the amount of flour that I put in. 1.5 cups, or like a 1.5 cup of milk, or buttermilk, water, whatever you're gonna use. It's kind of getting that consistency I want there. Yep, there we go. Just want to get all our flour. We don't want to mix it too hard. We want a few lumps in there. So, all right, there we go. Pancake mix there, baby. Just pop it, fire it up, put it on medium high, put it on 3. Almost forgot, y'all. Put roughly about a tablespoon of vegetable oil or any neutral oil or butter in there to help with the mixture. The flavor, stir it up in there, and that's it. All right, wait for this to come up to temp. We're gonna be eating good. All right, look like we're coming up to temp. We got our big spatula, got our butter, and we got our pancake stirrer, because we're gonna cook one pancake at a time. Put it in this Dutch oven, throw it in the oven on a warm setting until we get to the sausages. All right, pancake number 1. Make some medium-sized pancakes. That's why I like putting it in the pourer. All right, we got them bubbles. So you can either wait till the bubbles finish or watch around this crust. It'll let you know. Let's see how my first pancake gonna look. I should have pulled it a little sooner. A little darker than I wanted. All right, that pancake is done. All right, that's what we're looking like. That's what we're looking like on the reverse. Look good. It's usually like that always with the first pancake. So, but now, let's see if we can make up for it on the visuals with the rest of the pancakes going forward. All right, just like that. In a couple of minutes, let it do its thing. These gonna be some pretty decent sized pancakes. Probably can eat just 2 of them and be all good, especially with the meat and eggs. Let it keep going. All right, bubbling up pretty good. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now it's starting to look like the diner. All right. Only needs to be on there for just a little bit, just like that, y'all. Ooh, hot, hot. That's why they call it hot cakes. We're getting what we want. They're looking how we want them now, baby. All right, pancake number 3, y'all. We're gonna keep on continuing. All right, so we'll be back and we're gonna finish off these pancakes. Let's see how all of them look, and we're gonna be eating up good, and I hope I can make you jealous. Finish with the last pancake. Y'all see how we looking? I was looking on the bottom. All right, it smells good too. All right, so get this in the oven. This Dutch oven in the oven on the warm setting, and we're gonna get our sausage and eggs ready, and eating up some good stuff. Like my guy Teddy Riley say, it ain't over. It ain't over. The party ain't over. Y'all know what song that come from. All right, got our sausage here. Another tip too to make it come out easy like that, just before you when you cook the pancakes, throw this in the freezer for a minute, and it comes out nice and smooth. Patty them out like that. All right, let's let these cook right up. I'm gonna be right back, y'all. We getting close. We're getting close to eating time. Bob Evans down on the farm. Sausages are done. Cook these well done. You'll know when they're well done from the color. And you'll hear that sizzle just start to calm all the way down. Like when the sound of rain is ending. Gotta do my eggs. And I know y'all probably like y'all eggs in a separate pan or something like that. I like mine in the sausage grease. We're going straight in with the eggs. I like mine dirty scrambled eggs, baby.
We were talking about that last night at my cousin's house.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Dakota loved dirty eggs. She would love her eggs and the meat juice.
Pause. Baby, you ain't hip on the slang.
Nah, I ain't hip on the slang.
I said pause. And this woman went on ahead and hit the pause button on the camera.
I am younger than you.
See, I'm too hip. I'm on YouTube all the time. Dirty eggs. All right, y'all. I am finished cooking. It's time to get ready to plate up. I know you glad you just come in from the store and be like, oh man.
Yes.
It's done.
I'm blessed.
Yeah, get my eggs, baby. Dirty eggs.
They look good too. I should have asked for some.
Hey, I thought you was a young buck. Thought you didn't know about them dirty eggs.
I know about it.
Amen. Are they, as the kids say, bussin'?
They busting. Oh yeah, they busting. My niece would be like, busting. Oh, they busting. Like what?
Yeah, I like the way these babies look. Weekend breakfast, y'all. Weekend breakfast. I know what she said, but I gotta see.
See for yourself.
I gotta see for myself. All right. Oh man.
Told you. Told you.
They just melt. They just melt. Man, y'all. That's it. Y'all saw how simple that was. Make it your own, better than any pancake box mix that I ever had. And I ain't tried them all. Aunt Jemima, Hungry Jack, Krusty's. Do it yourself. Do your own flavor profile. This is my flavor profile. And it's crazy. And it just melts in your mouth. Like and subscribe. Much appreciation, y'all. I'm going to go ahead and get my eat on. And enjoy this Saturday. Peace.